Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to 5 Subject Scholar, a comprehensive learning hub for students of class 5 to 10, covering the 5 core subjects English, mathematics, physics, chemistry, and biology.
Question 1. Which gas is known as laughing gas? Answer: nitrous oxide, N2O. Question 2. Which acid is present in vinegar? Answer: acetic acid, CH3COOH. Question 3. Which is the heaviest naturally occurring element? Answer: uranium, U. Question 4. Which non-metal is a good conductor of electricity? Answer: graphite. Question 5. Which gas is used in DOT refrigerators, old models? Answer: Freon, CFCs. Question 6. What is the molecular formula of butane? Answer: C4H10. Question 7. What is the pH of pure water at 25 degrees? Answer: 7, neutral. Question 8. Which element is found in chlorophyll? Answer: magnesium, Mg. Question 9. What is the chemical formula of gypsum? Answer: KSO4.2H2O. Question 10. What does a catalyst do in a chemical reaction? Answer: speeds up the reaction without not being consumed. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button.